They got a vanity a vanity fridge for $39.88. I've never seen those before. Mm. 47 feet and 7 centimeters. The average temperature. You guys, I'm looking at these clocks. They are so cute. I'm at Walmart, and I was looking at the little clocks, how pretty they are. With faith, hope, and love. Clocks, blessings, family. It says the love of a family is life, greatest blessings. Guys, look at that pillar. It says hope, to have belief, desires, to place trust, and life's plan. That's so cute. Then we got a $498 TV. It's a 65-inch TV, guys, to get it. It is so big. 65 inches for $498. Yeah, guys. Walmart. Looking at the fabric dye, and they just got the whole back wall painted with dye. There's some big old bottles of glitter for $4.28. You got even bigger right there, $7.46. But they also got a little small gold glitter right there for $2.86. Yeah. Oh my God, so nice stickers and good prices. As low as 97 cents. I'm in the Walmart fabric department. Some nice fabric.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything.
I see another big screen, 65-inch for $648, and I see a 55-inch for $268. $298. Yeah, so if y'all in the market for a big screen 65-inch classic TV, there you go. Thanks, guys. I was just checking it out. Let y'all walk around Walmart with me. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to talk to y'all guys later.